students, award winners, colleagues, faculties, non-teaching staff, ladies and gentlemen. My warm greetings to one and all on the occasion of 74th Independence Day of our country. I hope you all are staying safe, hale and hearty. 74th Independence Day assumes great importance as it signifies our identity as a strong nation in the world evolved over past 73 years. Today, India is seen as the largest and strongest democracy, which the whole world looks forward to, not only as one of the largest markets, but as a leader which always rises on the occasion to guide and lead for the welfare of the mankind. On one hand, ancient India was a land of sages and seers. On the other, it was a land of scholars and scientists. Research has shown that from making the best steel in the world to teaching the world to count, India was actively contributing to the field of science and technology centuries long before modern laboratories were even set up. Today, the whole world has adopted yoga, which is one of the greatest contributions by our country, as it is going to evolve the mankind with many virtues of kindness and humanity. Today, the whole world celebrates International Yoga Day on 21st June every year. For us as a university, the day is significant as it throws many opportunities to us for the cause of education. It reminds us that we have a definite role to play in the independent India by contributing to the society in the sphere of knowledge that creates opportunities for the young boys and girls in the professional areas of work. It is a day which takes us to the future by making resolutions for good work and new aspirations. At the same time, it is the day which takes us to the past for cherishing our good work and achievements we have had so far. I am indeed happy to share the progress made by the university over the last 1 year. But before that, I would like to reiterate that GSFC University is an institution established under the CSR initiative of GSFC Limited with the cause of access and opportunity to higher educational pursuits of young aspiring eyes, redefining the entire landscape of educational endeavor, envisaging to be a boutique university where the academic curricula are designed based on 5 C's, which are compact, contemporary, cutting edge, customized, and collaborative to match the dynamic industry demands. The year 2019 has been a year of milestone where our first batch of students graduated. Friends, I am indeed very pleased to mention that the university held its first convocation wherein 198 students were awarded degree at the undergraduate level, out of which 80% of them have been successfully placed with corporates as well as with institutions for higher learning. The current year 2020 is also looking upbeat and optimistic. Even in this pandemic situation, already placements of students have started. The whole team is dedicated to placement activity, and the team is working full time on it. The team is active from hand holding of students to their final placements with various companies. Out of 131 students opting for placement, 32 of them have already been placed, whereas 17 are going for higher studies in India and abroad. The university has taken a number of initiatives in last 1 year. for holistic development and grooming of students to develop inquiring mind and willingness to learn and apply academic, scientific, research, and innovative skills. The thrust areas such as biotechnology, fire, environment, health and safety have been incorporated as main programs of study. And also subjects like data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and automation have also been streamed into the curricula. Our university has an inclusive admission policy catering to diverse students groups. I'm happy to share that 20% of our students are female students, and which has increased from 5% in the beginning to 24% now. And we are also targeting that this number should go up and perhaps should be as high as 40 to 50%. I'm pleased to mention that teachers are also adopting innovative ways of teaching learning process by way of experiential and participative learning, problem solving methodologies to enhance learning experiences through flipped classroom, dissection of old instruments, project work, presentation, and so on. Let me say that all the faculty members and the students deserve all the accolades for this purpose, because we are conducting these online teaching and online examinations without any interruption in between. So it is worth mentioning that our teachers are also proactively taking praiseworthy initiative during this pandemic situation for online teaching, which we say on T20, without the loss of a single day of teaching. The moment the first lockdown was declared, this has led to successful completion of the academic year 2019-20 in time. Let me once again congratulate every one of you for completing the academic year 1920 in time. Moreover, conducting the exam online successfully with ONI 20 initiative for all the students has been one more feather in the cap of the university. I'm very happy that our final year exam results have already been declared and the students are on their way to make a new world for themselves. I wish them good luck and all the best. I'm pleased to note that the university has already started its new academic year 2021 online from 20th of July. And the results of the end semester examination will be declared by next week. And in the process, we will be completing the whole academic year for the last year. As the internship is the pivot of education in the university, even in the lockdown situation, the university offered work from home internship to our 886 students who successfully completed their internship on work from home mode with an interdisciplinary approach. The university invited 65 mentors from industry, not only just from India, but also from other countries, who imparted their expertise to 149 teams. This shows the commitment of the university and the entire team led by the provost. Again, they deserve all the appreciation for this. And we have completed the internship also in a very, very satisfactory and rewarding manner. The uncertainty about the future due to the pandemic situation is bothering every one of us. But on one count, we are certain that under no circumstances, the education at the university will be allowed to suffer. The university has already made its plan to complete this semester in time without compromising academics and the quality thereon. On this very auspicious day, let us make every effort to hone our students to become not just educated, but also more confident young Indians who can take our nation forward. On this auspicious occasion, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude towards GSFC for its wholehearted, unstinted support for the GSFC University. As Provost said that CMD GSFC has conveyed his best wishes to all the members of the GSFC University, I would like to further share that GSFC team also has conveyed its greetings to each one of us on this auspicious occasion, and we definitely shall reciprocate with our best wishes to GSFC as well. Since the corona pandemic continues, we all need to take all the care like social distancing, personal hygiene, etc. It would be desirable that our young friends, boys and girls, do take care of the vulnerable sections of society and help the society at large in fighting this horrible pandemic. Once again, I wish all of you a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.